If my AI not appears in your Snapchat, then follow next video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store, then you have to search here Snapchat. After that, tap on that and here you can see update is needed. Tap on that and update your Snapchat application. Tap here to open your Snapchat application, and after that tap on this profile icon on top left corner. Then this window will open. Now tap on setting icon on top right corner. After scrolling up, here you can see an option I need help. Tap on that and from here tap on my AI, and from here you can select when is my AI on Snapchat and how do I use it. So read this carefully, it will help you to understand my AI terms and conditions. And after that, go back to the main window of your Snapchat application, then tap here on this chat icon and here you can see my AI has been appeared here. Thanks for watching.